Hello everybody. This is Monty with Flowers by the Bunch. So this afternoon we need to make some arm bouquets for an event. I don't exactly know what it's about, but they wanted a half dozen roses wrapped in an arm bouquet. So I was going to show you really quickly how to do that. So we like to use this mesh. This is just a deco mesh. We have it in several colors, but I thought that with the red and yellow that this white would be just perfect. So I'm going to take this mesh. I'm going to use a roll of my ribbon because it wants to roll up on me. So I'm going to take that roll of ribbon and use it as a weight, and I am just cutting this into a small sheet. And I'm going to set this to the side. Next, what I'm going to do is this is just a sheet of lace paper. Now, it's just a plastic paper, and I like to use it and lay it right on top of my mesh, okay? Lay that to the side. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my other roll of ribbon as my weight. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my greenery. So I have got some leather leaf. This is a type of palm, sago palm, and then a little bit of sword fern. My mind just goes blank. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to lay that sword fern. So I just kind of arranged it in my hand, just like this. I'm going to lay it right on this paper, right on top of that paper. Next, what I'm going to do is I have my roses, and they've already been prepared. I'm just going to pull off some of these bad petals. I'm going to take my knife, and I am going to add water picks to the end of each of these roses. Okay, as I add the water pick, I'm going to lay that rose right into that paper. And I'm adding these water picks. What that's going to do is it's going to give these roses a water source. I don't know, I think they're going to present these bouquets to someone. We've got several of them to make. And so I believe what they're going to do, they don't need them until tomorrow. So we are going to put them in the cooler with their water picks on them. And they're going to present them in some kind of presentation. So that's why I'm adding water picks. So you fill these little tubes with water, and then it's got a tight little lid that helps hold the water into the tube. And I'm just kind of arranging them in just like a little flat lay bouquet, just so that they're pretty. Okay, so there's our roses. I'm going to move my ribbon. Next, I thought as a pretty filler, instead of using like a filler flower, I'm going to use these pretty red berries. So I'm just popping that stem and tucking that right in. Now what we will do, because these are going to be overnight before they pick these flowers up, what we're going to do is we are going to leave the water picks on, but I'm going to flip the skirt of this paper. I'll kind of show you what I'm going to do. So I will flip the skirt and drop this right into water overnight, and then we'll dry it off real good and send it with the guys in the morning. And so all the greenery and everything will have a water source overnight. I'm just taking my paper. So what I did was, you can see how I kind of laid it vertically on this paper, okay? I'm gonna take this side and I'm rolling it in, just like that. And I'm gonna take this side and I'm gonna roll it in too. So I'm kind of crisscrossing it over the flowers. Okay, just like that. I'm going to take a little bit of ribbon. So I'm choosing to use the yellow and the red ribbon. I'm going to take just a strip of the yellow ribbon, and I am going to tie it right around that paper, just like that. Okay? And then I'm going to make a little loopy bow. Now with the yellow, I'm just going to do 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to cut it. And with the red, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to lay it right on top of that little piece that I tied, and I am just going to tie it right in. And I'm going to do a double knot. Okay? And then I'm just going to fluff that bow. And there's your presentation bouquet. So it's really, really very easy. All I do is I kind of arrange the flowers laying flat, then I make sure that they've got a water source, and I tie them with a pretty bow. Thank you guys so much for being here this afternoon. If you have any questions, please ask questions. I am happy to answer any that you might have. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and follow our videos. We are on Facebook, we're on YouTube, we're on Instagram. Y'all have a great day. See you soon.